Welcome to the best picks. The best bowling thumb protector is probably one of the most overlooked pieces of equipment in bowling, yet it can significantly impact your game and prevent painful injuries. Many bowlers don't realize how much a properly fitted thumb protector can improve their accuracy, consistency, and overall comfort, allowing for a more powerful and controlled release. In this video, we will explore the key features to look for when choosing a thumb protector, helping you find the perfect fit for your hand and bowling style, ultimately boosting your performance on the lanes. Number 5. Sratte 150 PCS Bowling Thumb Tape. These tapes protect your fingers from injury during bowling. They prevent calluses and blisters from friction, ensuring a comfortable game. It's not just for bowling. They're also great for protecting your nails during manicures or other activities. Keep your focus on the game, not your fingers. Simply stick them to your fingers as needed. They fit comfortably and provide a cushion to absorb impact. Each tape is precisely cut at 3 by 1 inches, suitable for most fingers. They're lightweight and easy to carry in your pocket or bag. This package includes 150 pieces, providing plenty for your needs and replacements. Share them with friends and family. Made from high-quality, elastic fabric, they're tough, breathable, and provide long-lasting comfort. Enjoy worry-free bowling. What we like. It's the most economical option, offering a massive quantity of pre-cut tapes. If you need a lot of replacements or want to share, this is perfect. Its versatility extends beyond bowling, making it great for various activities and nail protection. What people say. The fabric of the tape is smooth, flexible, and has ability to stretch some as needed. It sticks to my thumb very well and does not peel easily. The tape is close to 3/4 wide and every color in the bundle was consistent in size and adhesion. Number 4. Bowling Thumb Saver Glove. Say goodbye to thumb blisters and hello to improved grip. This glove provides the protection you need for a comfortable and confident bowling game. It shields your thumb from painful blisters and calluses, letting you focus on your game. Experience enhanced gripping power for more accurate throws. Made from high-quality, soft cotton, it's both durable and comfortable. You'll appreciate its strength and lasting performance. The hook and loop closure ensures a perfect fit for most hands. It's also reversible, making it suitable for both left and right-handed bowlers. Lightweight and breathable, it's designed for all-day comfort. You'll barely notice it's there, allowing for a smooth and enjoyable bowling experience. Upgrade your bowling game with the Bowling Thumb Saver Glove. Order yours today and feel the difference. What we like. This one offers superior comfort and adjustability. If you prioritize a snug, personalized fit and need a reusable option, this is the best choice. Its reversible design caters to both left and right-handed bowlers. What people say. The product fits well. Works okay, it's doing what it should. After trying another I got this one and the fit is good for my hand. Number 3. GNF 8126L Leather Thumb Guard. Protect your thumb from injury with this durable and comfortable thumb guard. It's made from 100% cowhide leather for superior protection. This thumb guard is crafted from high-quality, 100% cowhide leather. It offers superior durability and protection for your thumb. It provides a sturdy surface to shield your thumb during various activities. The strong leather ensures long-lasting performance. Designed for larger thumbs, it's an adult large size. It fits comfortably and securely without being too tight. Simply slip it onto your thumb. It's held in place by a comfortable elastic band, ensuring a secure fit. The elastic band keeps it snug and in place all day long. Enjoy the comfort and protection it provides. What we like. Made from high-quality leather, it's built to last. If you're looking for a durable, long-lasting solution, and have larger thumbs, this is your best bet. It provides robust protection and a classic feel. Number 2. Civaner Bowling Tape. This package includes 200 finger tapes, enough for daily use and sharing with friends and family. It's always good to have extras on hand. These tapes protect your fingers from scratches and blisters during bowling or other activities. They're perfect for preventing calluses from friction. Each tape is 2.5 by 7 centimeters, lightweight and easy to carry. Keep them in your bag for on-the-go protection. They provide a comfortable buffer for your joints, reducing impact and protecting your fingers. They fit snugly and comfortably on most fingers. Made from high-quality, elastic cloth, they're breathable and comfortable to wear for extended periods. You can stretch them to fit your needs. Whether you're a seasoned bowler or just starting out, these tapes are a must-have for protecting your fingers and enhancing your game. What we like. With a large quantity and elastic, breathable material, it offers both protection and comfort. If you value comfort and have a high frequency of use, this is a great option. The elasticity ensures a secure, comfortable fit during extended use. What people say. It did peel or come off unless you pulled it off. I use them every time I bowl to keep the blisters off my thumb and to give me a little more control in my release. They last all league and even a few tournaments where I was bowling 6 games instead of 3 games. One strip lasted through 3+ games and probably could have lasted 3 more. Light, did not affect my thumb release from the ball and protected it very well. Number 1. Civaner Bowling Thumb Tape. It includes 120 pieces of tapes in a convenient storage box. That's plenty for your personal use and sharing with friends. Each tape is compact and lightweight, measuring 2.76 inches long and 1 inch wide. It's easy to carry and store, so you'll always have them when you need them. Made from high-quality fabric, they're stretchy and comfortable to wear. They easily adapt to your fingers for a secure and pleasant fit. These tapes are perfect for bowlers, shielding your fingers from friction and scratches while you play. They also help keep your fingers clean. They're great for various indoor and outdoor sports. Keep your fingers safe from cuts and scrapes during any activity. What we like. This set comes with a convenient storage box and a good number of tapes. If you appreciate organization and want a portable solution, this is ideal. The elastic material ensures a secure and comfortable fit. What people say. It does its job and protects the skin on the back of my thumb and provides a consistent release. They are perfect size and thickness for what we need, they grip well, and function as we expect them to. This is smooth tape, no irritation on the fingers. Is very sticky to the ball, so don't come off. I have bowled a whole series with the same pieces. Doesn't leave any residue on your fingers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.